What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, May 30th. So here we go. We had the other day, a couple days ago, I think it was last Friday, right? Thursday, dropped down all the way down to 73, parked up to 86. We rallied that back up. The 2732 level pretty much held. We closed below that at 24, and then yesterday the 24 was pretty much the high, and we dropped all the way down to 68. So that was an RTH because it actually continued to creep down. I think it was 70 or something. Anyway, that didn't really look back. Popped up to 73, but then we went all the way down to 50, and now we're heading kind of back up. So we'll see if they try to rebound this up. It wouldn't surprise me if they tried to bid this back into at least this 86, 87 area. If not, then back to your 0305 area, and then 2732. Downside, 4043 is really what that level is what I'm looking at. So I could see if we head back down, that would test that one. 50 days at 17. I like the 16, 17 level just because of this little guy down here. So this one stuck down, came back, cleaned up singles, and then we didn't look back. We went right back up. But it also coincides with the 50-day, which I think is important. Although on the macro, this 100-day has been holding. And then the probably 0510 level is going to be the next monster. So if those don't hold, then definitely I would say the 0510. Below that, probably 70, 66, 65 area, which would be a 51 handle, which would be crazy. So we will see how this coincides, but I think they're going to try to ramp this back up. That's just my opinion. Bounced right off the S1 at 50. Here's your POC at 43. That's your 60-day. 52.31. Okay. 51.95. That's okay. 87. Look at that pivot. I love that. Right, that's right there at the 86, 87 area. So that's going to be important. And then you have your 04, which is right there. That's a great one on my magic green line, but 5306 is your R1. So that coincides with the 03, 05 level. R2, 43, okay. So that's kind of where we're at. So I think we've decided that we're going to start coming back down, but it's at what point are they going to either stick save this or we come back to the 100-day. Again, I don't know. We will see. 4320 is your POC for the month, which is ending soon, and then this is where your 4342 is. So we will see how this all transpires. Here's your weekly. Did we phase transition this? Did we poke above and then now we're, the rocket up and then back down? I don't know. We will see. Euro took a beating yesterday. It's coming back. Only one up 151. So we'll see. It's right there at the 200-day. Stick saved the 50 at 078, but went below 8 yesterday. That was a crazy sell. That was very interesting. And then Tilt got wrecked as well. So definitely keep an eye on that. That's come up a little bit this morning. Cash gap from yesterday, 82 to 06. I'd be watching that today. So if not just for resistance at 82, but the whole thing filling at 07, which would actually be quite hilarious. We did fill a small cash gap yesterday. We didn't fill this one down at 56 to 46. So downside, I would look at 46 as well on SPX. What else? NVIDIA is down. Look at that. Crazy. As of now, at 5:13 in the morning, ES is down 20, NASDAQ's down 71, and Dow's down 300 even. So again, Dow's taking a beating, and I would assume that it would want to rebound at some point here. So you've had the 40,000 level. You had your cross on your 50 and 200, and it's just gotten fucking crushed. So I think they're going to get that back up at least to 38.5. Again, that's if they rally this back up. But I would see probably some sort of reprieve, but they would hinge on, I'd watch the euro and also bonds. If we see bonds coming back down again today, then all bets are off, in my opinion. Then we'll head back down. The selling will continue, and the dip buyers will die. So we're kind of in a weird spot where the dip buyers can save the day, I think, at least some sort of reprieve until tomorrow, or it's just, forget it and everything, all bets are off, and then they're just going to sell this into oblivion. So, or we get a consolidation day here until tomorrow. So we open up kind of like yesterday, where we opened up and then we just range bound all day. That could happen too, and then your moves happen overnight. Maybe we're back into the overnight market move. I don't know. My guess is that they're going to pump it up a little bit, but 37.42 or really 40.43 level ES is what I'm watching. So anyway, stay safe. I'll be in